Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create payment links and subscriptions directly from line items in your deals, all inside your CRM. This process streamlines your billing and makes it easy for your customers to pay for exactly what they need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate payment links for one-off transactions or set up ongoing subscriptions, pulling in any products, fees, or discounts right from the deal itself. Let's jump in. First, navigate to the deal you want to work with. This is your starting point. Your deal contains all the details of what you're selling to your client. If you're not sure which deal to choose, just find the one where you've already discussed products or services with your customer. Once you're in that deal record, look for the section labeled Line Items. These are the individual products, services, or packages that make up the deal, kind of like items in a shopping cart. Now, to create a payment link or subscription, find the Create button up in the top right corner of the Line Items section. Clicking this brings up a drop-down menu with a couple options: payment link or subscription. The choice you make here depends on whether your customer needs to make a single purchase or if they're signing up for something recurring, like a monthly or annual service. Let's say you're creating a payment link. Maybe your customer is buying a product, paying a setup fee, or settling a one-off invoice. After you select Payment Link, you'll need to add your line items. Choose all the products or services from the deal that you want included in the payment request. You'll notice you can add fees, taxes, or discounts right at this stage. For example, if you're offering a 10% promotional discount, or you need to charge a one-time setup fee, you can build that directly into the payment link. This way, your customer sees a clear summary of exactly what they're paying for. If you're setting up a subscription instead, maybe your client is joining a monthly coaching program, subscribing to a software service, or any kind of ongoing engagement. When you choose subscription, you'll also select your line items, but with a few more details. This is where you'll add the contact information for the subscriber, so the system knows who's being billed. You might also need to enter company information, which can be important for B2B deals. Be sure to set up the billing frequency that matches your agreement, like monthly, quarterly, or yearly. You'll often be prompted for a subscription start date, so pick when you want recurring billing to begin. Take your time here and double-check these settings. It's much easier to catch mistakes now than to correct them later. Once everything looks good, you're ready to finalize. Hit the Create button, and your CRM will generate the payment link or set up the subscription as you specified. This can take a moment, so don't worry if you see a spinning wheel for a few seconds. As soon as it's done, you'll have a link you can send straight to your customer, or a subscription that starts billing as scheduled. And that's it. You've now got a powerful way to turn any deal into a smooth payment or subscription process, saving time and reducing headaches for both you and your clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a feature you want to see covered next. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, effective tutorials to help you get the most out of your tools. Thanks for watching.